Okay, now we are going on the Eagle ride, which actually was quite fun. Basically a bigger version of what we did earlier at the start. Oh my god. Woo! This was nice. This is actually a proper crane in Rollercoaster database, and it has some very nice eagle trains, so let's go with it. Oh boy, this is tall, and unlike the other one, the lift hill keeps going, so halfway through still gets to the same height, and now it's stopped. And now we slowing down. Yeah, great ride. Let's go on the next one and get more laughs out of it because it's funny world.